In this video, I'm going to show you how to put together the TV camera tower. Now when it arrives as a flat pack like this. You will have 2 scaffolds. You will have a ladder, you will have a floor, and you will also have 4 supporting rails. It does not come with a TV cameraman. That's only there for demonstration purposes. Yet again, be careful with these pieces. They are fragile, in particular the ladder. And putting it together as simply as just clicking it in, and it will be self-supportive. It's really easy to do, so let's get stuck into it. The first thing to do is to grab yourself either a bit of scaffold here and then just put the floor in. The floor goes this way and it just clicks in there, just like that. And then you can just grab the other side and we can just click him in there. And as you can see, it virtually stands up on its own. The next thing to do is you grab your supporting arms and they just go here, and that just clicks in like that, just like that. Just push him down and then just go to the other side. Oh, just go to the other side. It really is easy. I'm just making it look difficult. And that's one leg. Grab the other leg and do exactly the same. Put him in, click him in. He'll just go in there and he'll just go in there. And just push him down. You're almost there. And they just slide down, so they just sit just like that. And that's how it will look, and that's how it will stand. Next thing to do is to put on the side rail so your cameraman doesn't fall out. He just goes there, clicks in, and yet again on the other side, I can see what I'm doing. He'll just click in there, just like that. And then it's the same, just on this side. Click him in, and click him in, and you're done. Next thing to do is just to put the ladder on. The ladder can go in 3 positions. It can go that top position, the bottom, the middle position, or the very bottom position. I'll normally just put it right on top. It's quite a long ladder. And put your cameraman in there, and he's all ready to earn his living as a TV cameraman, filming the races. There you go. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.